Today, I'm gonna show you how to make prime restaurant quality steak. Yeah, baby, using just your cast iron skillet and the oven. So get ready for some buttery, garlicky goodness. Hi, I'm JuliAnn, and I am so glad that you're here. Our channel is dedicated to building cast iron strong families by making delicious recipes in the kitchen with your kids. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so that you will know every Wednesday when we post our next video. First thing we're gonna do is put our skillet in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes. Now, we're just going to oil our skillet lightly. Get the whole thing oiled. And then we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna add some butter in a little bit. Okay, yeah. All right, and now she's ready to go in the oven. All right, I was just deciding we need garlic in this. So let's put it in the pan. Just throw it right in here in the oven while it's preheating. Okay, now our skillet is preheated. We're gonna come and put it on the stovetop. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter to our skillet, and it's time to fry. Okay, now that all that butter is melted, we're gonna put our steak right there. And we're gonna sear for 3 minutes aside. Now we're gonna flip it. Oh yeah, ooh yeah, look at that. Just add a little bit of love and salt and pepper. Oh yeah. Now she's done searing, we're gonna put her in the oven. Here we go. Now just about another maybe 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how you like it, and we should be ready to eat. She's ready. Take her out. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, got added some more butter to the top of it. Okay, gonna go right there, look at that. And now my favorite part, absolutely, I'm gonna take a little bite. It's really good. You're gonna like yours too. I have to say, if I do say so myself, this is the juiciest steak I have ever made. And you can make it too. Share your tips below in the comment section because I like to learn from you as well. For more how-to cast iron videos, just click right here. And now for our life hack of the week. If you're cooking with butter, you want to add just a little bit of your favorite cooking oil, and that way the butter won't scorch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.